Step into the future of IT consulting with NENS, your architect for technology-driven success. We're proud to be an award-winning ally in IT services and are the top choice of industry leaders across various sectors. Experience in-depth consultation and strategic IT planning, where we align your technology with your business needs. Make better IT decisions with our strategic VCIO guidance, merging your business aspirations with a practical IT roadmap for future success. Dive into comprehensive IT assessments highlighting initiatives that promise the best return on investment for your company. Navigate the complexities of IT projects with ease, guided by our seasoned consulting experts. Backed by 30 years of experience, a 98.5% satisfaction rate, and supporting over 150 companies, our achievements tell our story. Our satisfied clients speak for themselves, with one having said that the NENS team is friendly and responsive and took good care to ensure I was satisfied with the outcome. Another client said that NENS has been an incredible partner, timely, cost-effective, and a pleasure to work with. Ready to elevate your IT strategy? Partner with NENS today.